We did up till question number 4. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. I am reading Asari Ahmad Fazil.
Okay, boy. Come on.
Fill in the following blank.
Okay. The
15.
brackets are given. The brackets are given in such a manner that 15 upon 18. And what else it is given? 15 upon 18 then is equal to dash upon 6 is equal to 10 upon dash is equal to 30, sorry, dash upon 30. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, how to go through with this kind of a things? Are this equivalent ratio? That's what the question is. The given things are the equivalent fractions or not. So, સૌથી નાનો નંબર કયો છે આમાંથી?
6.
6. 6 પછીનો મોટો નંબર ડિનોમિનેટરમાં કયો છે? 18. તો 18 ને 6 સુધી લઈ જવા કેટલા સાથે ડિવાઈડ કરવું પડે? Can anyone tell me?
Sir, 6 3 80.
6 3 18. So માની લ્યો કે અહીંયા ડિવાઈડ થયું 3. So if denominator is divided by 3, can we say that numerator also will be divided by 3? So 15 divided by 3 will be 5.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes.
સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં?
સર સમજ પડે છે.
Okay. Now, what is the smallest integer now, or smallest numerator and denominator out of this all? What is given? 5 upon 6.
5.6. Yes, sir.
So we have to take 5 upon 6 into grant now. સૌથી નાનામાં નાનો જે ઉપર નીચે ડિવાઈડ ન થતો હોય 5 upon 6 છે. So we have to take 5 upon 6 into grant. So 5 ને 10 સુધી લઈ જવા. It is equal. So 5 ને 10 સુધી લઈ જવા શું મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવું પડે?
5
2s are. So 6 also has to be multiplied by 2. So what will be over here? Answer as
12.
12. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં? So
Yes.
these three fractions are equivalent. Now this also has to be prepared equivalent. So 6 and 30 છે denominator માં. તો 6, how many is a 30? 6, how many is a 30? 6 નો ટેબલ બોલો.
Sir, 6 5 are 30.
So if 5 is multiplying in denominator, 5 will be multiplied in numerator also. So 5 5s are 25. समझ पड़ी क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
What we did here? So exactly what are the equivalent fractions? Yes, these all are equivalent fractions. બધાને ડિવાઈડ કરો ને તો 5 upon 6 જ આવે. જો 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. આવી ગયું 5 upon 6. Yes, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 5 upon 6 આવી ગયું અહીંયા. Yes or no? 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30.
Yes.
You got all 5 upon 6 when you do a simplest form. Are you getting? Are you all getting this 5 upon 6 as a base, which is the smallest one? So all the fractions in the given are equivalent, and the numbers what we got are the equivalent fraction: 5, 12, and 25. Understood, boys? Anybody
Yes,
has any
sir.
doubt with this?
No. No, sir. No doubt. No question.
For sure, na bacha. See,
Yes, sir. No.
what is the answer given here? 15. 5. Yes, these are equivalent ratios. Understood, boys?
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Question number 6. Chalo, question number 6.
Okay, sir.
Who will read this question 6?
Sir, yeah, Muhammad Fazli.
Bolo beta.
Find the radio of the following.
Su
Number
su
A.
su 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 word છે શું word છે
Roti.
હે
Roti.
તું જાગે જ કે ઊંઘમાં ભણક તું
Sir, radio.
આ રેટિયો છે આપણો ચેપ્ટર રેટિયો ભણીએ છે it is said to be ratio Asaria Zohair Abbas Zohair Abbas Muhammad Zaki Wakil Zohair Abbas What does this word say to be, Muhammad Fazil? What chapter we are studying right now? It is ratio, not ratio. Ratio. Read fast. Come on.
Find the ratio of the following. A. 81 to 108.
Okay. 81 to 108. Look here. I am showing. Ratio of 81 to 108. 81 upon 108. Yes or no?
Yes.
So if you calculate 81 upon 108, we will calculate first by 3. 81 upon 108. બહુ મોટું calculation હોય તો નાનાથી ચાલુ કરવાનું. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 12s are 36. Barabar? 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Now 3 and 4 is divided to each other? No. So 3 upon 4 is the ratio. Can I say that 3 is to 4? Can we say that here 3 is to 4 is the answer?
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
For sure?
Yes.
બાકીના બે સમ થશે ને જાતે?
Yes.
Boys, are you 100% sure that will you be able to do the rest of the two sums, three sums? 98 to 63. So 98 is to 63. 33 kilometer is to 121 kilometer. 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So you have to just complete the ratio for that. Chalo, question number 7.
Question number 7. Find the ratio of the following. 30 minute number alphabet A. 30 minutes to 1 hour.
30 minutes to 1 hour. So now what is the content? Now the content is 30 minutes and 1 hour. It is 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now, the units are different. This is in minutes, right? And this is in hours. So any one of them has to convert into minutes or into hours. So we will calculate like this: 30 minutes as it is to 60 minutes. Can I say 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes? Now units are same, minutes, minutes. Are you getting? So when units are same, can we take into division form? 0, 0 got cancelled, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 1 upon 2, can I say 1 is to 2 is the answer? સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir. સમજાય છે.
Question number 7. Sorry, answer number 7. Where is it? 30 minutes to 1 hour. 1.5 hours લખેલું છે આમાં. આપણા 1 hour question માં બતાવે છે ને. Okay, it is here written 1 hour, and over there it is written 1.5 hour. So 1.5 60 minutes, 90 minutes thase. Are you getting? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now ratio of 30 minutes to 1.5 hour is to 30 minutes is to 90 minutes. 1 upon 3 hours. Ola ma apne શું આવ્યો answer? 1 upon 2 આવ્યો. Why? Because we took 60 minutes. Understood? સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Now 1.5 meter multiplied by 100 centimeter. Why? Because this 40 centimeter, again I am repeating, see. 40 centimeter is given. 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Now this meter has to be converted into centimeter, because meter cannot be, we have to go through with same units. So 40 centimeter as it is, 40 centimeter as it is to 150 centimeter. 1.5 meter નું શું થઈ જશે? 1.5 meter નું શું થઈ જશે? 1.50 centimeter.
1.50 centimeter.
Why? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1.5 meter is equal to how many centimeter? Now cross multiply. 1.5 multiplied by 100 upon 1 into 10. 10 શું કામ લીધું? આ ડેસિમલ ને રિમૂવ કરવા. Got it? આ ડેસિમલ ને અહીંયાથી રિમૂવ કર્યો તો એક 0 વધારી દીધો. Now this 0 got cancelled. 1 ones are 1. 1 has no value in denominator. 15 tens are 150. Any doubt with this? So what we got here? 150 centimeter. Anybody has any doubt?
No, sir.
સમજાય છે? So now can I write here 40 is to 150 centimeter? 40 is to 150. That means, can I say 40 upon 150? Am I right or wrong? So 10
Sir,
fours
right.
are 10 is the common table. 10 fours are 10 15s are. Now 15 and 4. Can we divide this with each other? No. So 4 is to 15 is the answer. 4 is to 15 is our answer. What is the common table here? 10. 10 fours are 40. 10 15s are 150. 4 is to 15 is the correct answer. Join here. 4 is to 15. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir,
Look
no
here,
doubt.
I'm
No,
talking about this one. 40 centimeter, 4 is to 15.
no, sir, no doubt. No question.
So can you do this sum number C and D? 55 paisa to 1 rupee. 1 rupee is equal to how many paisa? 100 paisa. So 55 is to 100 paisa no ratio કાઢવાનો. 500 milliliter to 2 liters. Now 2 liters and milliliters. 2 liter has to be converted to 2000 milliliters. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
થશે ને? ચલો question number 8. Muhammad Fazil, please read.
Okay. In a year, Seema. Sir, what is this?
Earns. Earns એટલે કમાવું.
Earns 1,50,000
Rupees and saves
and saves 50,000 rupees fine.
find the ratio of. Now આટલા કમાય છે 1,50,000 કમાય છે ને 50,000 રૂપિયા ઈ સેવ કરે છે. Are you getting? She is saving. She is saving from her earnings. So we have to find the ratio of. Ratio of what? Money that Seema earns to the money she saves. Money that Seema earns. Seema earns how much? 1,50,000. To the money she saves. She saves 50,000. Second option, what we have to do? Money that she saved to the money she spent. So હવે she spent એટલે આપણે પેલા ક્રાઇટેરિયા લખવાના કે કેટલા ક્રાઇટેરિયા રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ છે. First thing, what we have to write? Answer number 8. Answer 8 માં પેલો સ્ટેટમેન્ટ છે Seema's earning is equal to rupees 1,50,000. Sorry. Okay. She saves is equal to rupees 50,000. હવે સ્પેન્ડ આપણી પાસે નથી. સી સ્પેન્ડ બાકીના સ્પેન્ડ કેવી રીતે મળે આપણે? From her earning subtracted her savings. So rest of the money she must have spent. Are you getting my point or not? Boys, I am asking to all of you.
Yes, sir.
હું યસ સર ખબર પડે છે કે નથી પડતી શું કરીએ છે ઈ? What are the things required? The required things to find the ratio is Seema's earning, which is given in the question. She saves, which is given in the question. What she spent was not given in the question. So કેટલા વાપરે છે ઈ find કરવું હોય તો so જેટલા કમાય છે એમાંથી જેટલા સેવ કરે છે, if we subtract from it, you will get what is the amount she is spending. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So આ આપણે amount મળી what she spent. Is that clear, boys? That is what they ask in question number 8. In a year, Seema earns 1,50,000 and saves 50,000. Find the ratio of. First, money that Seema earns to the money she saves. The earning and a savings to question much. But in question number B, money that she saved છે. But money said she spend આપણી પાસે નથી. So that's what we have found out. બરાબર છે?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now we can easily find the ratio of answer A and answer B. Answer A is what? C earns is to C spend. Sorry, C saves, right? Okay, wait, I will write in that only.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. 1,50,000 is to, can I say 50,000? Over here you have to write the statement. C earns to C spend. Barabar?
Yes, sir.
So can I write 1,50,000 upon 50,000? 150,000 upon 50,000. Now this 40 will be getting cancelled with this 40. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So we got 3 upon 1 here. So
Yes.
can we say that 3:1 is the ratio of first answer A? Anybody has any doubt with this answer number A?
No, sir. No doubt.
પાક્કું ને?
Yes. પાક્કું.
પાક્કામાં પાક્કું?
પાક્કામાં પાક્કું, sir.
ચલો આન્સર B ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ આપણે. Answer B is what? B is between C saves and C spend, right? Option number B, C saves, sorry. Is equal to, what is the ratio here? 50,000 C saves, right? Is to, what is her spend? 1 lakh, what we found here? કેટલા મળ્યા? 1 લાખ મળ્યા ને જે વાપરે છે એ. Question is what? Second question number B is what? Money that she saves to the money that she spend. So money save 50,000, money spend 1 lakh. So can I write 50,000 upon 1 lakh? This 40 got cancelled with this 40. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we got 1 upon 2 here, which is 1:2 is the ratio. Any doubt with this, boys?
No, sir.
No doubt? No doubt, bacha party?
Yes, sir. No doubt.
Okay, question number 9, please. Who will read? चलो આપણે પહેલા આન્સર નંબર 8 ટેલી કરી લઈએ. આન્સર નંબર 8 is okay or not? ચલો આન્સર નંબર 8 ઓકે છે ને? 3:1 and 1:2 જોઈ લ્યો. બરાબર ને બોયઝ?
Yes, sir.
3:1, 1:2. ચલો ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 9 રીડ કરો બેટા. ચલો દીકરા જલ્દી. Zohair Abbas, Muhammad Fazil, Ali Asghar, and who else is there?
Yes, sir.
Read kar beta jaldi.
Okay. There are 102 teachers in a school of 3,300 students. Find the ratio of the number of teachers to the number of students.
What is the ratio? We have to find the number of teachers to number of students. Got it? Number of teachers are 102 and number of students are 3,300. Chalo. We will find the ratio of number of students Sorry, number of teachers to number of students. Am I right? So can I say number of teachers is 102? 102? Yes. And number of students are? Number of students are 3300. What is given here? See. Yes or no? Can I say that 102 is to 3300? So 102 divided by 3300. So both are divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 year. 2 7s are 21. Sorry, 2 7s are 14. I'm so sorry. 2 11s are 2 6s are 12. Okay, chalo. 1 year. 2 5s are 10 and 0 as it is. Okay. Now 5 plus 1 6. એટલે 3 સાથે થશે. 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. Now 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 1 year. 3 5s are 15 again. And 0 as it is. Now 17 is a prime number. 17 and 550 will not get cancelled with anyone. So 17 upon 550 will be the answer. So can I say that 17 is to 550? Any doubt with this? समझाय છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Boys,
સમજાય છે.
your homework is to complete up till question number 9 in your fair book and one time in your rough book. Okay, exercise 12.1, question number 9 we have completed. Is that all clear, boys?
Yes.
Okay. So do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well, and we will continue this in our next lecture. Bye-bye, boys.